Hi, I'm Cyril Spareka. Today we're on a washer, and we will show you different tips to manually unlock your door without a key. On most machines, locks typically have a delay mechanism that effectively prevents the door from being opened right after the end of the program. So you are required to wait for a few moments before it unlocks. When it's like this, the best is to disconnect the machine, wait for a minimum of 5 to 10 minutes, and then attempt to unplug it again. If you move on to the next methods. The second reason why your washing machine door does not open is because you have a drainage problem. If you observe that you have the water that comes into the center of the drum during the process, your porthole won't open as your device is in safety to prevent water from spreading everywhere. Your lock is going to encounter a situation where it becomes stuck. When this happens, typically you have a drain defect displayed on the screen. For each and every problem, drainage, we already have a video that we will place you in the hyperlink within the description. You can solve all your problems. Drain, that is the process of emptying by it. Drain filter, empty with it. Empty the pipe by placing it on the ground. And following that, the third problem that we came across. It is simply because you have a lock problem. 1. There is a problem with a faulty door lock. It can come from either the lock inside here or from another source, depending on the circumstances.
It can be an issue.
Hook at the level of the porthole, which is located here. So here I am going to explain to you how to unlock a machine using a string. On the majority of models, there is a hook located here on the porthole, who went up with a spring. The hook will be placed inside a lock, causing the lock to prevent the hook from moving.
If you have an issue either
the hook or spring is broken or damaged, is broken inside, or if you have a lock problem that no longer works, or the machine that no longer turns on, the principle will be to slide a string between the front panel and the door in order to unlock the latch, like this, to be able to open it manually.
Here so.
I grab a handful of roasted string, just one piece. The item is quite thin but adequately strong, and I will carefully position it inside, in between other objects, ensuring it is secure and well protected. The front side of the building and the small window and I myself. I will apply a pulling force in this specific way in order to successfully unlock and disengage the hook from its current position or attachment point. In general, this relief land is typically situated in the drain trap area. Now open drain hatch.
We can observe here that there is
a small slit and you can go in.
Carefully slide a screwdriver inside the lock mechanism by applying downward pressure to unlock it and gain access to the interior.
Lock. We provided you with a demonstration of 3 useful tips to successfully unlock the door window on your washing machine. If you still have an issue, to block the porthole, it can actually be a very simple task. It can originate from either the closing hook or the opening hook, from the lock you have, broken, damaged, or in any other way. And in addition, the door lock as well. To carry out the replacement of this door lock, we will add a total of 8 videos to the end portion of this video. Replacement of door lock. You can choose your brand. We provide a detailed explanation. If you like the video, don't wait. Not to put a little blue thumb. If you have other ways to open a stuck window, don't delay. Also position them at the bottom of the video footage. Subscribe without hesitation. Chain if not done. I'll see you soon on Spareka.